Welcome back, guys. We're already in module 7. Just few modules to go. Today we are building a 7 or 30 days 30-day content plan. This is a live walkthrough. So in this section, we are going to focus on giving students a real, repeatable system to plan a full month of content in under 30 minutes. Okay, without burnout. So let me be honest here, and most people don't struggle with content because they are lazy. They struggle because they don't have a system, and that's why they post today, they disappear for 2 weeks, and then they feel guilty and then start over all again. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you exactly how to build 7 to 30 day content plan using ChatGPT step by step on this live screen. By the end of this video, you will walk away with a ready to post content calendar. There's no guesswork, there's no burnout. Okay? Then the part 1, which is choosing content pillar. Why does this matter? Before we touch ChatGPT, we need one thing first: content pillar. What is content pillar? Content pillar are just the main topics you talk about consistently. They stop your content from feeling random. For beginners, I recommend 3 simple pillars, not 10, not 20, not 7, or 3. For example, if your niche is building digital business, your pillar might be education/value, which is teaching tips or how to do this, how to do that. Then the second one pillar we're talking about here is authority and proof. Like example, experiences or experience, result, and opinion. The third pillar is offer and sales, your product, your service, or your community. Simple, clean, and sustainable. Then part B, we are going to use ChatGPT to plan a full month content. So now let's bring ChatGPT in on the screen here. When we go to ChatGPT, we're already on ChatGPT. We can post this prompt. As a social content media strategist, my niche is, you can just put in your niche here, building profitable digital business using AI and automation. So who are your audience? The beginners. Platform you want to use: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and else. Create a 30-day content plan using this content pillar. The content pillar value, which is and education, authority/experience, sales, and offer. So that's it. Now, the requirements: it has to be 1 post per day, mixed with pillar evently. Include post topic plus platform format. Keep idea beginner friendly, no dancing or complex trend. So once you click here, we are building our plan. This is it. This is our 30-day AI digital business content plan. You see the 1 day, 2 day, 3 up to. We've seen the pillars, we've seen the topic, we've seen the format and all that. We can copy this here and save it in our doc so that we can be using it. All right. So the job is half done. So this is where growth happens. ChatGPT is not telling us that consistency beats brilliance. Most beginners wait for perfect content, post anywhere. Imperfection builds authority. Okay. Education builds trust. Trust drives sales. That's why value content dominates early engagement. And all that. ChatGPT has also come down to say that if you want, it can also create 30-day content caption ready to post, video script for the whole month. ChatGPT is doing a great job here. So we can't thank ChatGPT for the wonderful job he's doing. All right. Now, so on part 3, breaking down the output, why this thing work. Notice that what just happened. You notice what just happened. ChatGPT didn't just give random ideas; it gave us a structure. So you've seen that with yourself, with your eyes. You will see things like educational posts early in the week, authority posts midweek, soft sell posts based out naturally. So this balance matters because value builds trust, authority builds confidence, sales convert attention into income. So if you only teach, people learn but they don't buy. If you only sell, people scroll past. So this makes how creators stay visible and profitable. All right. Now on the part 4, which is staying consistent without burnout. Here is the secret most people miss, and most people, content creators, don't even let you know. They don't need to create content daily. You don't need that to burn out. You need a plan. You need to plan once, then batch. Okay. Now the simple truth: plan content once per month. Batch post once or twice per week. Use ChatGPT again to write caption when needed. That is it. Okay. So you can use an optional follow-up prompt, like when you put this on ChatGPT, let's say a follow-up prompt. You can say, take 1 to 7 days of this plan and write ready to post caption for Instagram or Facebook. Keep them short and just you can just say something like that, and ChatGPT will reciprocate and respond and give you exactly what you wanted. See the caption? See the caption? See the caption? And that is it. All right. So if you're ready to post content today, at this point you should have a clear niche, 3 content pillars, and 7 to 30 days content plan, platform specific idea, 0 stress. So what to post next? That's your content calendar, and yes, you can reuse this structure every single month. All right. Now, this is very important for students who are learning with us. Pause this video right now and do this. Write down your 3 content pillars. Yeah, your 3 content pillars, and copy the ChatGPT prompt from this lesson. Generate at least 7 days content plan. Save it and do what? And this becomes your posting roadmap. Once that's done, you're officially ahead of 90% of beginners. Okay, so we are coming to an end. Content success isn't about clarity. It's about clarity and consistency. You are not, you now have a system. And what is the system? The plan you have, not motivation, no vibes, is a system. So in the next module, I will show you how to turn this content into actual income. See you and bye for now.